Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. I am at the Badlands National Park, well, just outside the boundary of it. And check this out. I found a boondocking place right here. Look at this. And look at the Badlands. Come on, let's check it out a second. You can actually boondock up here. That's Highway 240. Anyway, look at this. There's videos coming about the national park. I just filmed it. Anyway, I'm heading to Sturgis. This is kind of a midsummer check-in, 1st of August. Been a long journey. I just got some really cool information about my Roku channel too, and I really want to share that with you. So let's jump on the computer real quick. Okay, here we are over on the website. This is RVerTV.tv. Matter of fact, I don't know if I ever said this. My website, I had it rebuilt 2 years ago when I started Roku. Matter of fact, the developers of my Roku channel, TV Startup, these guys have been doing a really good job for me. Look at this. They created this. Added video. It's a widescreen website. But it's kind of geared towards Roku too. Yay. Roku's been about almost a 2-year project of mine, and I'm expanding RVerTV into different audiences, and basically that's what this gives me. This actually goes into households, and right now I just got the word from TV Startup, 30,000 home installations now. Woohoo! That's big for me. I'm a small channel. I'm just a tiny one. Check this out. You can actually, off my website, watch Roku. Look at this. Right there, this is streaming live on Roku. That's a live feed going to it right there. Isn't that kind of cool? And then also over here, you can go watch on demand. This is what the Roku channel looks like. And it's the same like Netflix style layout. And this is all done by TV Startup too. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, them guys have really helped this old guy put this together. And what they do is they host my videos. See, in YouTube world, YouTube hosts the videos and all that, but in real television, internet television, you have to have a service similar to like TV Startup. Matter of fact, let's find their website. Right there, these guys. Noah and the crew over there, they've been helping me pretty good. Down here, here's all the ones you can do. Apple TV, Roku. I don't have Apple, but guess what? Amazon Fire TV just started up. You can get RVerTV over there now too. But Roku's been my main one to go to. And Roku is actually the biggest internet TV provider right now. They got them all. Matter of fact, let's go. Here's my account with TV Startup. I'll show you how I do this. Kind of behind the scenes of RVerTV. There's a channel manager right here. You click on that, and it'll take you right there. Here's what's playing on Roku, and this is what I look at when I'm in managing my channel. Get over here. There's the VOD categories right there. Then the playlist. This is what's being seen. This current playlist. Look at this. There's almost 4 days of continuous streaming. Once again, you go back to the video on demand. There's almost 300 videos, I believe, loaded on here right now. They date clear back to 2019. But I'm so happy and thankful that 30,000. That was a goal this year to hit that, and I've already hit it in the summertime, midsummer. Pretty cool. So Roku's growing, Amazon Fire's growing, TV Startup, they're growing too along with me. I mean, I've been with them. I started this December 2019. They got great service, great support. Can't do it without them. But if you get a chance, get over here and sign up on Roku. Let's check something here. Let's watch the live stream. This is on my website. The stream's RVerTV.tv. Look at that. You know where that is? That's a shoe fence on Highway 62 out in the California desert. Rice, California. Okay, now let's go over to here. This is the manager area for the channel. We'll go preview. Should be the same. There it is. But this is what I program. If there's ever a problem, I can restart it and all that. But it's kind of a little behind the scenes of what goes on with RVerTV on Roku. Pretty cool. Well, let me show you the stats real quick. Look at this. They just send it to me all the time. Hang on. This is what they send me. Look at that. 30,390. You always have uninstalls, so I'm averaging about 70% keeping it. So, and that's huge for a small channel. I'm very proud of this, and thanks to all you guys out there for watching too. Isn't that too cool for school? Over 30,000 home installations on Roku. Amazon Fire Stick is just getting going, plus YouTube. You know, RVerTV's rocking it. We're going to just keep right on trucking. These wheels on this van are going to keep turning. So, thanks for watching. Talk soon.